What is up guys, my name is Talha and you're watching Gadget Sphere. So in today's video I'm going to tell you the best Gcam config for the Poco X3 Pro. So right now you can see this is the Poco X3 Pro, the variant I'm using right now. It has 6 GB of RAM and yeah, the best Gcam config right now I'm going to show you how to download. So I have not given any link in the description, otherwise you guys will not watch the full video or any part of the video. I'm going to tell you the real process. Number one, you have to go here and in Play Store just search Telegram, and in Telegram you just have to install this app and give all the permissions and sign in into Telegram. Now once you have done that, your process is actually very easy. Now here I would like to thank a YouTuber called Munchie. Now he is a very good YouTuber for these type of things. So what you have to do is just go in YouTube, okay, go in YouTube and search Munchy Munchie Poco X3 Pro. Just search this Munchie Poco X3 Pro and search Gcam. Okay, you have to go on YouTube and search Munchie Poco X3 Pro Gcam and then press on enter. Now once you have done that, you can see this is the first video which comes up right here. So you just have to open this video, and once this video is open you have to go here in the description and here you will see download Gcam XML. You have to tap on this. Okay, now once you tap on this it will open the Telegram app, and as I told you, you have to enter your number and confirm everything. So I'm just going to do it right now. I'm not going to show you my number, that's why I'm just going to write like this, and it will ask you give all the permissions it asked, and then what is going to happen is it is going to send you one message which you have to accept. Okay, so right now you can see, there you go, the message is done. Just press on allow, and there you go. Now you can see it is done. Now again you have to go in YouTube, tap on Gcam XML. Once you do that, you can see it will take you to this page, and in this page you can see this is the XML file. This is called BSGX3P. Now you have to just press on this and press on save to downloads. Once you do that, you can see there will be a download, a complete type of thing. Now once the download is complete of this XML, you just have to download one more. You just have to open your Gcam, just tap on Gcam and then double tap on any empty part. Okay, so you can see this is the empty part, just double tap here and then you can see this is the config. You just have to select the config and boom, the Gcam will restart. And you know what is working? Even stabilization is working. Look at that. That is one of the best features of this smartphone. Even the stabilization is working, which was not supposed to work. And even the front camera video recording is not working. That is one thing which I would like to tell you guys. So that is one thing, front camera video recording is not working. And yes, the ultra wide angle cameras video recording is also not working, but other than that, stabilization is working in the main camera. That is in itself a very big achievement. Okay, the door is not going to close because of the air. Then all the cameras are working, and you know what, the selfie quality actually improved. Now let me just take some images and show you guys. So right now the weather is very cloudy type, so let's just take one image and show you. Okay, there you go, the image is done. You just have to wait for it to process. It takes a bit of time. Okay, just to wait for it to process, and there you go, this is the image. No doubt very nice, very sharp. Like look at the image, very sharp looking, without a doubt, very good quality. And now I'm going to actually test the auto focusing. You guys can see it focuses very fast. There you go. Let's just take an image right now. I don't know why the camera is unable to display the image very nicely, but yes, believe me, the image is very good. It takes up a bit of time to process, so you have to just wait. You can do nothing in that time, but just wait for it. There you go, and boom, there you go. It is incredibly good, man. The image came out very good. Look at that. Wow. So the detailing on my hands are very nice. So as I said, this XML file is just going to help you get some very good shots, and even the stabilization works very nicely. So that is my favorite feature. Like anything works or not, I just want stabilization in video. That is very good. You can see panning here and there, and it also supports 4K at 60 FPS. That is something very unique. That is, look at this, 4K at 60 FPS. It is supported and it is working, which is amazing. Like wow, a Gcam which can record in 4K at 60 FPS from the Poco X3 Pro, that's just a miracle. So this is the config file, and that's how you can install this without any problem. So that's pretty much it for today's video. Hope you like it. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.